Welcome to a Living with a Classic Short Takes. These are small updates between my larger episodes. In this update, it's the road test of the XJ12 after I put in the new front shocks. If you missed the episodes where I put in the front shocks, there will be a link coming up right now. You can check it out. So let's see if all the work really paid off. Already feels a lot better. I really do think that the shocks were a lot worse on this car than I thought they were before. I always thought this car rode really well, but now it's really planted through the corners and it's really smooth. This is a pretty rough bit of road right here, and no clunks or anything from the front end. I really should have changed those a long time ago, but now I know that whenever I have a car like this, I definitely want to have a look at the shocks and change them soon, because what a difference it's made. I wonder what it's going to be like when I get around to changing all the bushings as well up front. Should make a massive difference. No weird noises or clunks or anything. Alright, let's see what it's like when we give it some beans. Through this corner, it's really planted. Wow, what a difference. I highly recommend have a look at your shocks. All in all, it's one of the best improvements I've done to this car, replacing the front shocks. In terms of time spent doing it, less than 2 hours, and cost, which was really not that much at all. And also, this is something that almost anyone could be able to tackle at home. I don't really think it's that difficult at all, and you just need some basic tools. So, go and check your shocks. If they're bad, just replace them. You'll be happy with the result. Anyways, until next time, I'm Adam, and this was Living with a Classic. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Thursday, and sometimes you get these small little updates in between episodes.